got the new charger. This is my second one, so I'm gonna test this guy out, see how this one is, because I have actually got a lot of good comments about this guy. So I might as well buy a new one and test this one out. This is Dxaec batteries. This will charge the Dxaec battery, because you can charge like 3 different different batteries, which is right there, wet gel and AMG. So one of them is Dxaec. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So unboxing it, we have some cord on the back. Pretty cool. Way to store your cord underneath it. Wish they made it a little bit more longer. No, I don't have to use extension cord, which I probably will. Pretty nice handle here. This one doesn't have anything. Feels pretty solid, heavy. It's freaking $100, so should be the deal. So let's see if this reaches my plug over there instead of using extension, because when you use extension, you lose. Well, somehow it's not right. So it's better to do it directly through outlet if possible. It's fine if you use extension. Don't use it too long of extension. So here we go. We put one on this side of the battery and put one on this side. This will charge both of them at the same time. Don't charge one and then put another one that's not correctly. And when you buy the batteries, make sure you buy them both, not one. That will make a difference. So it's off. What's in the box? Nothing else except directions. Who reads the directions? Put this out in the box. Make sure you save your box. That way you can always return it in 60 days. Home Depot has a return policy which you can use. If it goes bad, you return it, you get your money back. Put the receipt inside the box and you're good to go. Put it in the attic, which I do. Put all this little stuff in there too. So it looks like brand new. So let's see if this reaches. Ah, dang it. It barely. No. So I gotta use extension. So let's see. Got an extension here. There. Plug it in. Oh. It's windy. Looks like it's charging. Bank 1. Battery voltage. So let's see what it gives me. So recondition, no. I'll test. So we need battery voltage, no. I guess that's the start of it. So this button starts it. Boom, boom, boom. Or maybe not. That's engine start. This, I'm sure this is the charge button. Doesn't rotate. So it looks like it's charging it. Bank 1, it means one battery. You can use 2 batteries that you can charge at the same time. But you can connect them here. They're sold separately, and Home Depot doesn't sell them, so you have to buy online or Dewalt website to get the other cables. But I'm sure it's just regular cables that are pretty common to get them. So we'll see what's gonna be happening after a few hours. See how good of the best charger this is. Sounds pretty legit, as my before. My other one didn't sound real good. This one sounds legit. Got some handles here. Handle on this side. Got an outlet right there. USB. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See how this guy actually charged my battery, and I'll let you know how long it charged my 2 Dxaec batteries. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in my next videos.